if we know what the marginal cost is, we know marginal cost. If we know what the total cost is, that's your total revenue, we take the difference and find out whether this farm made a profit or this farm made a loss or this farm is a break even. Now, this is something that we do in economics. To keep things under control, we usually look at one variable and change that. And therefore, for this particular farm, we assume that it has no control over the price of input. Okay? It has control over the operation that it will make, but it will have no control over the price of input. That means its cost curve is given. It cannot manipulate cost. Cost is cost of resources, that is. To produce a good, you need labor, you need capital, you need to pay your entrepreneurship big dollars, and also you need land, right? So the cost of all of those things are given in the market, you cannot change it. So if your average revenue is given by your total revenue is given by average revenue times quantity. Actually, I should have called this not P, but AR. Okay? P is the same thing as AR by Q. Total revenue is, I will just do another whiteboard and let me do that. Let me go to another whiteboard so it is not cluttered. I'm taking time to go over this step by step so that everybody is with me. Okay. I remember the numbers, and for this particular farm, farm A, we have, and this is the MC, and then we will put the labels here. Okay. Well, actually, let me also get the quantity, price, and quantity. Okay. So, excuse me, somebody is calling me at an odd hour. It could be a student, so we'll talk to them later. All right, now, so here is your cost and revenue, dollar, okay, and here is your quantity, okay, and this was P equal to AR equal to $10, and this is MR, it's the same thing, AR equal to MR, and this is your MC. And we know that total revenue is equal to average revenue times quantity. Average revenue is 10, quantity is 560, this is 0, which is equal to 10 times 560 equal to 5600. This is where we were, right? What is your total cost? You can tell me. Total cost is equal to average total cost times quantity. We still don't know what the average total cost is. That's where I stopped, okay? We do not know what average total cost is. We stopped there, right? So, I was telling you that we assume that the farm behaves in a competitive resource market. It has no control over the resource price. So the cost varies from farm to farm. The price does not vary. Price is 10, but the cost will vary from one farm to another farm, right? So let's do this. Let's say that we know that the average total cost curve is U-shaped. So here is the average total cost curve. Average total cost curve. And this average total cost curve intersects with the point of equilibrium right here, and that is less than 10, right? So let's draw a line there, and that is right here. So it is less than 10, right? What can we call it? If this is 10, let's call it 8. Okay. So average cost is 8. Alright. So what is your total cost then? Total cost is equal to how much? Average cost 8 times 560. Who is the calculator? Very quickly. What is 8 times 560? Okay. Let me go to my cell phone here. Okay. 4480. No, I'm getting different numbers, so let me do it myself. The calculator. 560 times 8 equal to 4480. Not 5420, Sean. I don't know how you did that. So it's 4480. 4480. So this is the amount of profit for this farm. This rectangle here. So profit then equal to, this is in black. This farm made profit. So let's put that in black ink. Profit is equal to then 5600 minus 4480 equal to how much? Sean, you do it right this time. 5600, oops, let me see. 5600 minus 4480 equal to 1120. 1120. Okay? So the profit is equal to 1120. Another way to look at it is this farm is making $2 per unit, right?